uh, but I don't know why it's now. Let us see how it comes. Good. Yeah, that purposely I asked that economics question. I know you may not be prepared fully for that. I think yesterday I asked you to prepare on, say, ratio analysis also, correct?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me something about ratio analysis?
Sir, ratios are used by the companies in order to know the actual financial condition of that particular company, that how it is performing and how it is stable.
1 minute. Yeah, Google Meet. Google Meet. Are you in, are we in Google Meet? I'm not sure.
Yes, sir.
We are in Google Meet.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's why you are able to speak to me, but I'm not getting where that particular screen is. Okay.
Am I supposed to on my camera, sir?
No, no, it is there. You are able to see me.
Yes, sir. I am able to see you.
It's okay. It doesn't matter. Let it continue like that. But I am not seeing the candidates. But 1 minute. Here I think Google Chrome. Google Chrome. Yeah. Google Chrome. You are able to see me, but I am not able to see you. What is this? How to go back to that screen? Um, you are all seeing me, no problem.
Yes, sir. I can see you.
Excellent. Normally ऐसा नहीं
Yes,
होता
sir,
था.
we all
अच्छा
are
अच्छा.
able to see you.
हमने गलती कर दिया. I opened it in another browser.
Oh,
इसलिए I am struggling to find it here. Now I got it. Good.
okay,
Excellent.
sir.
अच्छा जी, आप बताइए what is stock exchange?
The stock exchange is the market where the stocks are traded, and it is divided into. It is also known as the secondary market.
Okay. Now tell me, what is the difference between public sector bank and a private sector bank?
So public sector banks are those banks in which the government owns more than 50% of the shares, and private sector banks are those banks in which the government share is less than 50%.
Can you tell me about debt service coverage ratio?
Yes, sir. Debt service coverage ratio measures the ability of the company, that how much it can pay its debt out of its profits.
Good, not bad. Anybody else is there? Commerce graduate here? Anybody else commerce? Nobody.
Yes, yes, sir.
Who is commerce? Shruti.
Shruti. Yes, sir.
Shruti, put some question to Simran ji. Whatever comes to your mind. All of you be ready with some questions relating to banking which you can raise to another person. Come on. Enjoy asking
Yes,
question. Yeah.
yes, sir. What is depreciation?
Ah.
Sim-
Depreciation, yes, I'm explaining. Depreciation is the reduction of value in an asset due to wear and tear and with the passage of time.
Super.
Good.
Now, Anshu Agarwal. I think you are also an old student.
Yes,
Anshu
yes,
Agarwal,
sir.
put some general question to Simran. General question.
Okay, sir. What is amortization?
अरे भाई amortization. हाँ बोलो जी.
Yes, I have read this.
हाँ.
I have read this.
Yeah.
Um, I cannot recall it, sir, but I have read this amortization.
अच्छा 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 1 मिनट हमको.
I think yes, sir. I think written whenever we write off an asset, that process is known as amortization. Is it correct?
No, no. Amortization is reduction, the action or process of gradually writing off the initial cost of an asset.
Okay.
Amortization um, is paying off an amount, paying in installments Amortization. That is one way of explaining this. What is an amortization schedule? A table detailing each periodic payment of a loan.
Okay.
Could you follow? Grover,
Yes, sir.
could you follow that?
Yes, sir.
Anshu, you had something else in mind when you were asking this? Please tell us.
No, sir.
There can be one
No,
more
sir.
definition for this. Is it okay?
हाँ, yes, sir.
वेरी नाइस, वेरी हैप्पी. ग्रोवर जी और पिताजी क्या काम करते हैं आपको?
सर मेरे फादर का साइकिल रिपेयरिंग का शॉप है.
हाँ, आपने बताया था. Yesterday I
Yes, sir.
talked to you over phone ना.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Correct. Very good. How did you develop your communication in English? Very nicely.
Sir, actually, till 8th standard, I was very weak in English, and then after that, my tutor also helped me in making my English a little better. And I practiced a lot in front of the mirror to speak, and so I have reached till here, till now.
Very good. Very happy. Very happy. Good. Do you have any questions?
No, sir, not now.
Not now. No questions.
No. Sir, I just want to ask ki, the way I have spoken, is it good for the actual interview now?
Yeah, more than
Matlab-
sufficient. More than sufficient. But yeah, in a real interview, of course, you will be more serious and you will talk.
Yes, sir.
But here,
Yes, sir.
I find a sort of. Can you speak once again? Please ask the same question.
Sir, I said ki, the way I have spoken, this will be fine for the actual interview.
It's okay, correct. I don't find any problem, except that even it was as if, say, about 16-17-year-old girl talking. I don't know why the voice was hearing like that. Is it that you have been changing your voice to present in this way, or this is the routine way you
No,
talk?
sir. Sir, this is my real language and like the real me.
Okay, no problem. Absolutely no issue. I will give you, let whatever marks they give you, I don't know. Tomorrow, I will give you easily 8.5 to 9.
Out of 10.
Yeah. Acha. We have to give for 20. Then out of 20, 16 to 17.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Best wishes. Who is the new person who has not been with us earlier? Justin Basu, were you there earlier with us?
Yes, sir, I was there earlier.
You were there here. Jyoti Mishra, आप भी था ना?
Yes, sir. This is my third
Oh,
interview
great,
class.
great. Thank you so much. I know these names. Zina Thaman, Yashika, Amtara Paul seems to be new. Amtara কেমন আছেন? ভালো আছেন তো?
Yes, sir, I'm good. আমি ভালো আছি।
আপনি কোত্থেকে আসছেন?
Sir, I'm from West Bengal, Kolkata.
কলকাতা থেকে আসছেন?
হ্যাঁ, স্যার।
কলকাতা থেকে কোথায় থাকছেন আপনি?
স্যার, আমি কলকাতার রিষড়ায় থাকি, হুগলি ডিস্ট্রিক্ট।
Hooghly district, so that is other side of the Howrah Bridge.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is your degree?
Sir, I'm masters in mathematics.
Oh, which year did you complete?
Sir, I've completed in year of 2017. June, I passed out.
Is it you have appeared for any other interview earlier, Antara?
Yes, sir, RRB PO I have given 2 times. This year also and last year also.
Which one?
RRB PO.
RRB PO you have given
RRB
2
PO.
times. Oh, this time also
Yes,
you
sir.
gave.
Yes, sir.
How many marks do you expect out of 20 in that interview?
Sir, it was good. I expect 14 to 15 out of 20.
Why? Some questions you could not answer.
No, sir, it was not like that, but something I I can expect, I can, explain more that I explained it. So I it.
One minute. Yeah. Hello. Yes, please. Then why don't you remit 100 rupees to Google Pay 90030375557. Then come to my Telegram group. You are aware of my Telegram group? SIVAN, Sivan. You come to that one. I have posted the link there. You avail the link and come and join us. We are now in a meeting. Okay, no problem. Then it's okay. You don't want to come here? You will get a lot of information if you come here. Okay, then you pay the money. I will call you. Give the number. Thank you. Yeah, good. Amtara ji.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you feel some questions you would not have answered properly, so you would have scored
Yes,
less.
sir. I could have, sir.
Yeah. Now, what is your father?
So my father by profession is a homeopathic doctor, sir.
Doctor.
Yes, sir.
Is specialist in what?
So in homeopathy.
Homeopathy. Acha. Do you take homeopathy medicines or allopathy medicines?
No, sir. Homeopathy from my childhood, since I
Acha.
born.
From homeopathy only from childhood. You don't.
Yes, sir.
You don't know what is erythromycin.
No, sir.
Huh?
I don't know.
And you don't
No,
know.
sir.
What are antibiotics?
The antibiotics is which give if bacterial infection is there, so I think it gives antibiotic.
Very good. So you are a mathematics student.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is trigonometry?
Trigonometry is basically a process when a triangle is involved. In case of perpendicular, where one angle is 90 degree. So we do the calculation like one is base, another one is height, and another one is hypotenuse. We make the calculation over there. So where angle is involved, that process is known as trigonometry because it is in triagonal. So that's why.
Very good. A boy multiplied a number with 10
Okay, sir.
and got 100.
Okay, sir.
If he divided it by 10, what would be the
Okay, sir.
answer?
So 1.
Correct. The average salary of 3 employees is rupees 950 per week.
Okay, sir.
If one employee earns 1150
Okay.
and other earns 650 rupees,
650. Okay, sir.
how much will be the third person's earning?
8. Sir, 850?
No, 1050.
800, sir.
1050.
1050.
950 into 3
3, yes, sir.
minus 1800
50.
will give you 1050.
1050. Okay, sir.
A 16-story building has 12,000 square feet, 12,000 feet on each floor.
Okay, sir.
Company A rents 7 floors. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And company B rents 4 floors.
Okay.
What is the number of square feet of unrented floor space?
So 7 and 4 is 11. So it is 16 means 5 feet into 1200. 60,000 feet is unrented.
60,000?
Is unrented, sir, not rented.
No, 60,000 what? Inches or what?
Feet, sir. Feet, sir.
फीट बोलना और कोई दूसरा कैलकुलेशन बोलना है. How will you describe area? Square
Sir,
feet.
area square feet. Yes, sir. Square feet.
Max student, you should not do mistakes.
Yes, sir.
Last question in Max. A computer printer produces one
Okay,
lakh
sir.
76,400 lines in a day.
Okay.
If the printer is in operation for 7 hours during the day,
Okay.
how many lines did it print per minute?
Sir, it will be divided by 7 into 60 minutes.
One
So
lakh
I
76,400.
1,76,400 by 7 into 60. 6, 7, the 42. So calculation I must have to calculate, sir.
हाँ यही तो प्रॉब्लम है कैलकुलेटर यूज करके करके हम लोग का बुद्धि कम हो गया बुद्धि को
Sir,
क्या
I'm not
बोलते हैं
good at
दिमाग
calculation.
नो नो व्हाट इज द बंगाली वर्ड फॉर ब्रेन
Sir, मस्तिष्को माथा बुद्धि.
माथा तो हेड
हाँ सर,
ब्रेन
बुद्धि.
ब्रेन बुद्धि होगा ना
बुद्धि, yes sir.
हाँ जी बुद्धि कम हो जाता है हम लोग का बिकॉज वी आर यूजिंग आवर कैलकुलेटर क्वाइट फ्रीक्वेंटली ठीक है कोई बात नहीं अंतारा
Yes sir.
ready steady go what is stop payment of a check
Stop payment, sir.
हाँ
If a payment of a check is not done at any stage, it is stopped by the bank. Then it is stop payment of a check.
can you please repeat और एक बार बोलिए
Sir, if a payment of a check is stopped somewhere in process, when it is processed in process, then it is stopped by the bank or by the drawer who had drawn it. Then it will be stop check
actually
payment.
you are telling it but you are not telling it clearly आपने ऐसा बोलना है stop payment of check means a person who has issued a check namely drawer issues
Drawer, sir.
stop payment instructions to the bank
Okay, sir.
that is the very straight way of answering the question correct
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
good who is the biggest borrower of in our country biggest
borrower,
borrower is it a state government or central government or Reliance or Tata's who has borrowed lot of money from the people
Sir, I don't have any idea, sir.
it is Indian government
Central government, sir.
Anji,
Okay.
central government is the maximum borrower can you tell me what
Okay,
is
sir.
KYC
KYC is know your customer. When where a customer has to submit their verification documents to the banks like Aadhaar cards, PAN cards, and these kind of things to the banks to verify that their true customer, their truthness of their identity.
can
That
you
is the
tell
know
me
your customer.
can you tell me about the recent budget highlights
Recent budget highlights. Yes, sir. It is based on 6 pillars, and for health and well-being, it is 35,000 crore has been for the COVID vaccination, COVID-19 vaccination has been allotted.
good next
Other than that, Jal Shakti Prakalpa, so Jal Jeevan Mission, sir. Jal Jeevan Mission, there has been allotted 2,87,000 crore. Um,
is it correct
Sir, no, sir, I'm not sure about the 2
what
lakh.
did you say
Not,
Jal
sir. It is
Shakti
one.
mission Jal Shakti mission
Jal Jeevan, Jal Jeevan Mission, sir.
now whenever you are not sure you should not talk about it समझ गया
Okay, okay, sir.
talk only about ideas where you are 100% confident
Sir, but I think it is 2,87,000 crore, sir. For 2,86 crore.
Okay next point
And next point, it's so the main thing was that CRR is
2.87 lakh you are right Jal Jeevan mission 2.87
Yes.
lakh correct
7 lakh, and this year CRR is 3%, sir, at present. So in budget it has been said that proposed that it is by March 27,
Ah,
it would be 3%.
yeah, one
And
minute, sorry.
okay,
Hello? Yes? Then you come to 72020. अच्छा 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 ठीक है बाद में देखा जाएगा आई विल कॉल यू you give me your number send your this is the number I will call you thank you yeah very good Antara Pal
yes, sir. Sir, I
Antara,
was telling about the
yeah you were telling about budget yeah
CR. Yes, sir. Budget highlights, sir.
continue if you remember some more points tell me
The CRR, it is at present 3%. So in budget, it has been proposed that 3.5% would be by March 27, and it would be 4% by May 22.
uh, about
Okay,
what
and
yeah about
yes,
what
sir.
are you
So
telling about what are you telling now
it is CRR, sir.
No.
Cash reserve ratio.
Sorry. We were in, I think, budget highlights, na? Did we
Yes,
put,
sir.
we were only in budget highlights. Doesn't matter. Can you tell me where the central university is going to be set up as per budget?
In a Ladakh, sir.
Very good. That's correct. For the tea workers in Assam and West Bengal, how many crores rupees Prime
So
Minister?
it is 1,000 crores, sir.
Very good. Correct. फॉर डिजिटल मोड ऑफ पेमेंट प्रमोट करने के लिए कितना 1000 करोड़ अनाउंस हो गया
Digital mode of payment.
हाँ जी
So it is I'm not sure.
1500 करोड़
1,500 crores, sir. 1,500
करेक्ट
crores.
बैंक पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक के लिए कितना रुपया अलॉट किया है कैपिटल इन्फ्यूशन
Capital infusion, it is at 20,000 crores, sir.
करेक्ट लास्ट क्वेश्चन न्यू गैस पाइपलाइन प्रोजेक्ट इज एम्ड एट विच प्लेस
New gas pipeline. Sorry, sir. I can remember.
जम्मू एंड
I can
कश्मीर
remember that. Okay, Kashmir, Jammu,
Jammu and
Kashmir. Yes, sir.
Kashmir.
Okay, sir.
Antara, please tell me why we should select you. You are staying in Delhi. Why have you put some sea, ocean as your profile picture?
Sir, it is in Puri, sir. I
Acha, you went to
visited
Puri? Acha, you went
Yes,
to
sir.
Puri?
Yes, sir. Puri.
Oh, but
Odisha.
Delhi people to no sea,
Sir,
nothing.
Kolkata, sir. Sir, I'm from
sorry.
Kolkata.
I'm sorry.
West Bengal.
Why did I think I confused with Grover. You are Kolkata girl, na? Kolkata, you have sea. Excellent.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Kolkata, what I like very much, KC Das Rosgulla.
Yes, sir. It is a famous, most
Famous one.
famous.
Good. Why should we select you?
Sir, because I think I have risk-taking ability. Other than that, I am patience. I have patience, and this is the quality that I have, which will be helpful in the banking sector. Other than that, I am self-motivated also. In my preparation years, I am preparing for 4 years now. So in my preparation times, I have seen failures, so I have to be self-motivated. So that will be helpful, I think, in banking sector whenever I will be work in team. So in team, self motivation is important. Other than that, I can motivate other people also who will be under me.
You can also tell about good in time management, creative, problem solving ability, hard working person, quick learner. थोड़ा ऐड करके बोल सकते हैं.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Good. Why did you come to us in the last minute?
Sir, I think SBI PO interview was going on, so I think it was started. VPS PO started from tomorrow, yesterday only. So I
Today
think
today only.
I will. Okay,
आज
today only, sir.
yeah
Okay.
yeah इसलिए you came now. कोई बात नहीं. I
Yes,
appreciate.
sir.
I
And I
appreciate.
have 11th March, sir. So I have 3 days more. So I can give.
Yeah, I appreciate you. Good. Next person who has not been interviewed so far, otherwise we will go to, we'll start with Justin. Justin Basu, आइए.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. You are also from West Bengal.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am also from
अच्छा,
West Bengal.
बांग्लादेश का कैपिटल क्या है?
Dhaka, sir.
बांग्लादेश का करेंसी का नाम क्या है?
Sir, Taka.
वेरी गुड. अच्छा, व्हाट इज गुड इन वेस्ट बंगाल?
So West Bengal is famous for its terracotta temples and Vishnupurs, and its city of joy is also known as city of joy. People are very happy; they celebrate festivals with each another, and the sweets in West Bengal are very famous.
Correct. But you have to mention about one more thing, Darjeeling tea.
Yeah, Darjeeling tea, yes, sir, and Kolkata Howrah Bridge and Victoria Memorial also.
Yeah. Correct. Those things are all supposed to be very famous. So
Yes, sir.
you are actually staying in Calcutta?
No, sir, I was actually staying in Ranchi, but my father is staying in Kolkata, so that's why.
Acha. You are actually studying in Ranchi,
Yes, sir.
and because your father is working in which place?
Sir, my father is now retired. He is right now in Kolkata with
So
my
you also
family.
shifted to Kolkata?
Yes, sir. Right now I'm not totally shifted in Kolkata. I am just staying Ranchi
Why?
because
Mother is staying where?
mother is staying with my father, and I am stay alone right now for
Are
2 years.
you like Ranchi very much?
Yeah, yeah. Ranchi is a good place, but for studying, that's why I have to stay in Ranchi. That's why.
Acha. Good. What is your degree?
Sir, I am a BTech graduate in mechanical engineering.
Mechanical engineering. How you are going to relate mechanical engineering to our banking?
Sir, bank have a lot of purposes. One of the main purposes of bank is making a loan to MSMEs. So whenever there is an MSME or industry is included, there is a mechanical engineering. So these are the part of the mechanical engineering. So for assessing loans to banks, as a mechanical engineer, I am very useful for banks. So, and as an engineer, I am very capable of the technology transforming that are going to be happen in banking sector. I am very capable of doing that. So as a mechanical engineer, I will be very helpful the banking sector.
Can you tell me what is due definition of MSME?
So MSME stand for micro, small, and medium enterprises. These are the entities that are engaged in manufacturing, producing, and processing goods and commodities. My MSME is divided into three parts: micro, small, and medium enterprises. In micro, the investment is 1 crore and the turnover is 5 crore. In small, the investment is 10 crore and the turnover is 50 crore. And in the case of medium, the investment is 50 crore and the turnover is 250 crore.
Good. You told correctly. Very nice. What is FDI?
So FDI stands for Foreign Direct Investment, in which the foreign companies or individual invested in India or particular country, other country.
Good. What is a commercial paper?
So commercial paper issued by businesses or companies to borrow money from the market.
Okay, good. Then what is a certificate of deposit?
Certificate of service is type of debit instrument that was issued. No, sir, I doesn't remember right now. So sorry.
Oh, certificate of deposits are issued by banks and
Okay.
at a higher rate of interest, not at a regular
Okay, sir.
rate of interest. Whenever banks need extra money, they go to the market, and the companies which have got surplus funds will be investing with the banks, and they pay a higher rate of interest. And normally what we do, we receive a fraction of amount and we will pay a round sum at the end of the period, taking into account the interest payment made. And
Okay.
stamp duty has to be paid on this. Stamp duty has to be paid on this instrument. Banks borrow money because they are in need of funds. When I was in Kolkata, sorry, when I
Yes.
was in Delhi, when I was in
Yes,
Delhi,
sir.
Indian Bank was in lot of need of money because the bank was in red, and we needed lot of money. At that time, we used to borrow from other companies which were offering large amount of money, say 100 crores, 50 crore like
Okay,
that,
sir.
and we'll be offering a considerably higher interest rate than what we offer for normal customers.
Okay, sir.
Who is a senior citizen?
So senior citizen whose age is more than 80 years
More
is known as
than?
senior citizen. 80 years.
Wrong. Wrong, wrong.
80, 75 years, sir.
No,
No,
no.
sir, it doesn't.
50, 60 years, Baba. 60.
Oh, I struck into the budget years. The budget year is 75 years of citizen that
Budget by
giving an.
75 years, what they have told.
Uh, so they have told that there is no income tax return filing for the one who is 75-year old. So I stuck
Correct.
in this.
Tell me
Yes, sir.
about Pradhan Mantri PMJJBY.
So Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana is released by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi in February 2019, and it was a scheme launched to increase the financial inclusion in India. It provides basic banking facilities or banking accounts to the people of India at an affordable cost, and there is a no minimum balance is required to open this type of account.
What is Arogya Setu app?
So Arogya Setu app is developed by NP and Government of India, and it is an app to basically to specify to find the to regulate the measures to regulate the coronavirus cases. I think so. Uh,
No, no. That is
basically,
it's an app to know about Corona and other things.
yes, sir.
What is Demat account?
So Demat account is also known as dematerialized account. This type of account is open to store shares or security in electronic form.
Good. Then uh, what is your father? You said sorry.
My father is a retired worker from DVC Damodar Valley Corporation.
You told me yesterday or day before yesterday. Damodar Valley Corporation. Good.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you tell me something about your Ranchi?
Yes, sir. Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand, and it is famous for some its natural resources, and also you know as Jharkhand is a land of forest. About 1/3 of the area of Jharkhand is covered by land, and there are a lot of minerals, especially coals, aluminium, mica. About 40% of the country's minerals are come from Jharkhand, and there are a lot of ores and micas are there in Ranchi.
Good.
And Indian and previous captain of India, Sri Mahendra Singh Dhoni is also from Ranchi. So,
Good. How do you see yourself 10 years from now?
so first of all, sir, I am not I am not think of long term. I just make a step for short term goals. I have few short term goals. I doesn't think about long term goals.